Goobers, welcome back to a brand new video. So we're going to do another video on the MT03 today. As you know, this is my wife's bike. For Christmas, we got our new Two Brothers exhaust. So this thing sounds very quiet, stock. It's nice for, you know, all black kind of look on here, but an even nicer look with the Two Brothers exhaust. Check this out. Get out of there, styrofoam. Look at this thing now. Carbon fiber. Straight through, check that out. So this thing's gonna be a lot louder than that stock exhaust, but I'm gonna let you hear what the stock MT03 sounds like in case you haven't seen my other MT03 video. And we'll do a sound comparison at the end. I'm also gonna do a little kind of time lapse in between here. I'll just fast forward me taking this thing off so you guys can kind of see how simple it is. We're gonna hope it just takes 20 minutes or so, but I don't know if I'm going to run into anything special. It looks really simple to take apart, but let's show you what that MT03 stock sounds like. And you know what else I'll do? I'll take my Z900 right there, if you saw that in the background. I'll do a little sound comparison between both of them too. So this is what the MT03 sounds like. Let's get this rolling. Hope you guys are all doing well. Feel free to leave a like and sub. Remember, I do a lot of gaming stuff on this channel too, and I just do some motorcycle stuff on the side. So if you're not into a lot of the gaming stuff, just don't turn notifications on. But got a big Fortnite community on my channel here too. So hey, if you like some of that, go ahead, check it out. All right. Whoa. Do this with one hand here. All right. This is idling. So not super loud, right? We'll give it a little throttle. A little bit. Big one. It's a little cold out here too. It's not really sounding as gnarly here. Yeah, not too exciting. We'll do the Z900. I got an Austin Racing exhaust for this bike that's coming in. Still has not come in the mail yet. Look at that nice tack display. I gotta get some gas in there, man. Okay, we're gonna turn that off. Okay, here we go. So I actually broke the clutch switch on this thing. I have to start it in neutral, so funny stuff. All right, here we go. A little bit of louder kind of hum to it. So this guy's inline 4. That's inline 2. Get ready, baby. Ooh. Ooh. It's got to warm up a little bit. Yup. A little condensation in there, I think, because it's a little cold, so. You're smoky. Fun stuff, though, man. So there's the sound comparison between these two guys, and we'll do that again, kind of at the end. So obviously Z900 is a little bit louder, bigger CC bike, but yeah, let's get started. So this is the moment we've all been waiting for. Thanks for sticking around this long. Let's hear what that nice new exhaust sounds like. Okay, cool. Let's hear it idle. Ooh, oh, it's got a deeper sound. Wife's excited, she's coming down, she hears it. Now we're heating up a little bit, sounding a little bit deeper. It's nice. Ooh, it's got a little bit higher tone there. All right. Water ready? So a little bit of this white smoke is really normal. It's just some of like the oils that are inside the exhaust. Yeah, she's excited. Yeah, all right. Not bad. Let's see what it sounds like, you know, at higher speeds and stuff. But as far as idling, you know, that's pretty nice. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around. Hope you liked the video. Peace.